What is aging management? Everybody hears aging management medicine. Well, it's actually a whole new specialty now. Aging management medicine is a new specialty treating people for aging. And what happens as we age? Well, first of all, we're living a lot longer. And so as we live longer, we want to maintain active, functional, healthy lifestyles. And it's harder to do the longer you live because several things happen and change in your body. One is your hormones levels drop. For men, testosterone levels drop steadily from age 30. For women, around age 50, sudden drop in hormone levels, which affects biochemistry, your body's function, your muscle mass, your bone health, your cancer risk. It affects many things. So aging management is a combination of maintaining not only hormonal balances, but nutritional balances, really focusing on diet, exercise, and many, many things. This is in order to keep us functional, active as we age. And that's basically aging management medicine.